You mentally and physically exhausted from working so many hours, my friends? Welcome back to the Reinvention Years. I'm Cindy. Today we're going to talk about something I wish that I'd learned decades ago, how to earn without exhaustion. So, the burnout truth. So in nursing, I worked 7 days a week for 15 years and I was always behind. It wasn't by choice, it was by necessity. Single mom of 3 kids, minimal to no child support for a lot of those years. And again, we were not living extravagantly. I just did not make enough. More hours did not equal more money, more freedom, just more fatigue. I missed so much with my kids. The secret was leverage and automation. Real freedom comes when you develop systems that can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you, that can earn while you rest. Digital products, affiliate marketing, email automations, they all do that. So once you get them set up, they do the bulk of the workload. You set them up once, they keep on working. So that's what I show you inside my free blueprint that's linked in the description. How to build income that works even when you're not on the clock. So think about it. You go to work for 16 hours and it's working all the time. You get a notification. Maybe you can cut back on all those hours. Maybe you can go to part-time. Maybe you can change careers altogether. Anything is possible. So we also have to shift our minds around the productivity versus profitability. Working hard and earning well are not the same. You want to focus on value, not volume, right? When your effort multiplies instead of draining you, that's true success. That's really when you're going to start getting ahead. You want to simplify to scale. Start with one offer, one system, one strategy. Keep it simple. Consistency compounds, right? Once you get the first offer nailed down and start seeing results, then start adding to it. But if you try to do too much at once, you will get extremely overwhelmed. And then what happens? You give up because you're burned out again. You're exhausted again. Didn't solve anything. So you want to keep it simple. So if you're ready to learn how to automate, grab the free blueprint that's linked in the description. It walks you through the exact setup. So thank you for watching. And then next week, we're going to talk about the blueprint for legacy and how to create impact and income after 50. You have already worked hard your whole life. Now it's time for your work to start paying you back. I'm Cindy, and your reinvention starts now.